Let's go ahead and take a look inside. There are 2 units the way this is divided, but it's been rented out typically as one whole unit. Let's check out the lower level. Here we've got the first bedroom, which looks out to the street here on C Street. Nice big walk-in closet, plenty of storage. Full bathroom here. Wi-Fi controlled nests here, both in the lower and upper unit. Got a stove as well as refrigerator with a freezer. And a pretty good sized living space here with a wood burning fireplace. Then this looks out to the backyard here, where there's actually private parking in back. And then a whole bunch more closet space underneath the stairs that go upstairs to the second unit. It's going upstairs to the second unit, or the main part of the house. There's a little deck area that overlooks the backyard. The door that goes out as well. TV screen conveys, another wood burning fireplace. Nice and bright open kitchen. Another little TV here that conveys as well. Garbage disposal as well. Microwave, additional storage, plenty of cabinet space, no shortage of that. And we've got a powder room right here. The space from the kitchen, nice and open. Now it's going upstairs to the 3rd floor. We've got the master bedroom and then the other bedroom. So here's the 2nd bedroom in the house. Built-in cabinet, built-in storage units. Looking out the backyard. And we've got the hall bath here. Another Nest thermostat, hot water heater, HVAC unit, all for this unit. The lower level unit has its own. And then washer and dryer right here, right outside your bedroom. Super convenient. And then we've got the master bedroom, which looks out towards C Street. You've got your ceiling fan. We've got our nice big walk-in master closet. Tons of storage space. Out in the backyard here, You have stairs that go up. You have stairs that go up to the second unit. We've got a really nice kind of quiet, well, really nice, quiet, serene little oasis here, if you will, with the vines on the pergola. And then if you have a car, this is great. We've got the rolling garage door as well as some additional storage here as well.